Okay friends, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create this website in the minutes with a Rishi theme. So this is how it's going to look. Now this is all the dummy data you can go and change, but to go and create this in the minutes I think is very good. So let's see. Here we have the contact. Let's go to the blog. Okay, let's go to the about us. And yeah, we have something like this. Events and our courses. So here we have the events and our courses here. And this is just created in the just minutes. Okay friends, so step by step, in the few minutes we can create a website like this. So let's start it. So let's search for a Rishi theme. Okay, go to the rishitheme.com. And here we have the download the Rishi theme. Now we need to add the email, first name and last name here. After you add in this, go to the download page. Okay, and here we have now the Rishi theme. Just click in here and it's going to download that. Okay, very good. Go to the dashboard, appearance, themes, and add new. Okay, we need to upload a theme, so choose a file and click install. Okay, now the Rishi is installed. Let's say activate. Okay, now install Rishi companion. And here we have, now we have the site identity, color settings, and all of that. Just go to the starter sites and install Rishi starter templates. And here we have the templates. Let's say we need only the free one and choose the categories. So I'm going to say education. And here we have, now you can choose one of them. Let's say I want to choose this one. Sorry, import the complete site. And here you can preview the site. So let's see how it's going to look. And it's looking something like this. Here we have courses and I think it's okay. So let's import the complete site and delete the previous imported. We don't have any, but just okay, visit the site now. And here is how it's going to look. I think it's a very good site. In just 5 minutes you can go and create that. This is the timid data, but we can go and change in the admin dashboard, but to create this in 5 minutes, I think is good enough. Okay friends, hope you enjoy. If you like, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. All the best.